Alright, so Crackback by John Coy is what I'm reading right now. And it's, I can completely relate to it, so it's completely intriguing to me. And every second I'm just comparing it to my everyday life, and I can easily imagine myself being this main character. And it's just about a boy in high school, um, growing up dealing with everyday problems, but in high school there is a lot of, well, bullying, peer pressure, um, uh, like social status. So he has to deal with all these things, and then drugs come in because he is a football player. He's on the defense. He needs to be big, and he's one of those big buff, big guys. And his friends are taking steroids to boost their muscle gaining, and he has to decide if that's what he really wants to do or not. So the theme overall is trying to do deciding whether to do what's morally right or what will best benefit you. So yeah, like doing drugs, he morally knows, that's not right, but is it really worth, is, not doing the moral thing really worth it? So he struggles with that. Girls come into play, um, family problems. So it's a really good book, and I'm really glad I can relate to it. It always makes a book better when you can relate to it and imagine you're in the story, for me at least. So I definitely recommend it, especially if you're young, and have life problems. Um, yeah, it was really good.